This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lisa Jones. Welcome home. This 2013 all-brick one-level ranch home has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Split bedroom floor plan, you will be greeted by a covered front porch. As you walk through the front door you will notice an abundance of natural light, a vaulted ceiling and gleaming hardwoods. The kitchen has plenty of cabinetry including a nice size pantry. Other features: soft closed drawers, under cabinet lighting, breakfast bar and an eat-in kitchen breakfast area. The kitchen is open to the formal dining and living room. This beautiful home is located on a level lot in a cul-de-sac. Seller can offer a quick closing if desired. Much more info to come. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Jones at 865-966-1111.